just watching Justin Brown on YouTube, drinking my coffee, and writing a to-do list. I bought a drone. I know that that is such a cliche thing for someone who does YouTube to do, but it's not one of those fancy drones. Yeah, I went to Australian Geographic and I bought an $80 drone. This is called a selfie drone. It has got a tiny little camera on it, just there, and it's tiny. The controls are very limited. Doesn't come with a screen or anything. You know, some of the more expensive ones, you've got a screen and a little, I don't know, or you can control them on an app on your phone and they kind of basically fly themselves. But my theory is that if I can learn to fly this little $80 drone, then I won't crash, or I'm less likely to crash the more expensive ones. And if I do enjoy flying this, then I can justify the cost of actually buying a proper one. Because I do want to do more like travel style videos and just improve the quality of my videos, because I don't know, I really missed making videos whilst I was having maternity leave, and I didn't upload for like about 4 or 5 weeks, and I didn't make, because I had pre-made a lot of videos, I didn't make any videos for 2 months or something. I really missed it, and I felt myself feel a lot more inner happiness since I've been making them again. So I don't know, that's a good enough reason to keep making them, right? Yeah, so I've been really enjoying uploading again. So anyway, got the drone, so let's have a go of flying it. By the way, I've had a little practice and this thing is really hard. I landed it where I wanted it to go. This is gonna be fun. So it's basically got like a takeoff button, and if you want to land it, you just press the stop button and it just stops flying and falls out the sky. It doesn't have like there's no way to press like a come home button. I'm gonna go put their micro SD in it and see if I can take some photo or video, and that is what you will see next. The problem with an $80 drone is that it only flies for 5 minutes. It just ran out of battery, so I'm gonna go charge it and see if I got anything on the car. Now today, the rest of today, we're going away tomorrow, so I need to pack for that. I'm taking Lewis and Max down to my parents' house, and I need to pack for that, and I need to send 2 emails. I need to do something else. Can't remember. There's other things I have to do. Tidy the house, I don't know. Play with Lewis, definitely. Definitely. Mwah. Look at those blue eyes, Lewis. Hey, you're very handsome. Is that nice sun in your face? Is that nice sun? Yeah, it is, isn't it? It's nice and warm. We are going on a couple of little weekends away and some longer holidays coming up in the next 12 months. So now that we're a family of 4, I thought I would get us all individual colours for our packing cubes so that I know the difference mainly between Max and Lewis's clothes. Lewis is in all of Max's old clothes and like just remembering who's is who's and stuff. So I got each of us these sets of packing cubes. I got a blue one, a purple one, a red one, and a green one. So I'll just open one and show you what's in them. These were $28 and they look to me to be reasonable quality. They had different ranges. You could get like a 6-pack. These were a 4-pack and they come with a laundry bag as well. This is the biggest one. So that was the one that came in. These are really quite large. This is, yeah. And these are just, they look like really good quality. They've got a mesh so you can see like what's in the bag. And they've got really good, quite good quality zippers. Like for $28, I think that's a bit of a bargain. So then it comes with a square one, and that's probably the same size. Yeah, and then a smaller one, a smaller rectangle. So 3 rectangles in a square, and then a laundry bag, which is just, I mean, you'd use this as the storage bag to keep them all in when you're not using them. That's just a standard thing. And then when you're away, you use them as your laundry bag. So I'm gonna go and pack and get ready for our weekend away. We're having a stop. Hi, Lewis. Hi. You having a little look around? What have you got? Can I have
the brown biscuits?
the rice, chalky rice cakes?
Yeah.
Could I have one? Please? So we're off to a good start this morning. Lewis woke up at 6. I aimed to get on the road by 8. And he was awake the whole time. And then we hopped in the car, I think it was about 10 past 8. We stopped and got a coffee. And now we're stopped at Kingscliff. It's 10 o'clock. So we need to get back in the car and keep going again. Where we stopped. We have to go before Lewis starts getting upset. Every minute while he's happy in his car seat is precious. It's precious. We have to be safe, so bye, we'll see you soon. He lasted, it took us 6 hours to get here. He lasted until 5.5 hours and then fell asleep, poor thing. Yum. We just said goodbye to my sister who's come out to my parents as well with her little baby. I'll get it. So yeah, we had some fun hanging out with them. Got to see my sister for her birthday. Got to hold the little baby, my little nephew. And yeah, we're going to go jump on the trampoline now. It's a beautiful warm day, but as soon as the sun goes down it's freezing. Oh, that's where the pram got to. So now we're going to jump on the trampoline. Okay, go on. Is it going to drive?
Give him a pad, he likes it under here. He says, oh, that's nice.
We're waiting for their food. I think I've got some. I do, but it's just toast. I'm sorry, cows. Oh no.
So,
These are Grandjack's weeds. Don't say that on video. This is his wheat.
these
look at
ones
that-
in
that
here.
bit.
Well, I think you looked at these ones here.
I did, yeah, they're huge now.
Yeah, they've gone. See how it mats up?
Yeah. Right, we're nearly home. We're at Chindera on the way headed north, which means it's what time is it?
30 o'clock.
30 o'clock. It's 4:20, which means we probably won't get home till 6, which is a bit of a bummer.
30 o'clock.
30 o'clock?
Yeah.
But that's okay. Lewis is full. Hopefully he'll be happy, and we're just winging it. Let's go. Yeah, so we got back from the farm last night at about 6 o'clock. It took me about 6 hours. Ooh. Sorry, about 7 hours. I think we left at about 11:30 and I got home about 6:30 or something like that. Lewis just really needed lots of comfort stops, lots of cuddles and things, and yeah, I wasn't really in a rush, so that was good. It was a little bit harder coming home just with that extra 45 minutes or an hour or whatever. It took me about 6 hours to get down. I kind of wish I stayed an extra night. It would have probably been better to like have left this morning and like sort of left early, like after breakfast, like what I did on the way down. But anyway, that's okay. Next time I'll know. And it was a good experiment. It was a fun adventure. Max was so good in the car, and really Lewis was as well. He just needed lots of cuddles, so, and that's fair enough. He's only a baby. We had a really good time visiting my family. Yeah, we stayed at my parents' place and got to see my sister for her birthday and got to meet her new little baby boy. Max had a really good time playing with his cousin and feeding all the animals on the farm. I took heaps of footage while we were gone. So that was our little trip away. I hope you are having an amazing day. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next week. Bye.